Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. This is Euro JPY pair and this is a downtrend market. Okay, I will place a layer option. This is a marginal safety trade. So I'm expecting make a rejection. This is a seller's entry point. This is a seller's entry point. This is support and resistance level. So that's why reason I'm expecting make a rejection. Let's see. Okay, it's make a rejection. There is a minor level. It respected the previous level also. It is a good rejection. Okay, we'll place a layer option. Okay, we'll place a layer option. And this is seller's entry point. Set downtrend market. Next buyer's entry point at here. So that's why reason I will place a layer option. Let's see, we have 10 seconds only. Okay, and this also winning trade. Check the next pair. So I'll place a layer option. Okay, I'll place a layer option. This is a resistance level. Some sellers enter the market, it rejected. This also strong sellers. So that's why reason I place a layer option. And this is a market momentum. Okay, if you want pure price action, this binary option, and join my Telegram video course or contact on my WhatsApp, and Zoom class also available. If you are any interested people only. Okay, we have 10 seconds. Okay, this is also winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option. But this is two types of decision in this market. This is a market momentum, but it's making new high, but it's going to sometimes it's going to more down also. There is a two chances, but major trend is minor trend is uptrend market. Very less chances it's going to more down. Okay, this is a buyer's entry point. This also buyer's entry point. Next seller's entry point at here. This and this. Okay, we have 5 seconds only. And this also winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option, some margin safety trade only. And this is a 50-50 chances. This price action is not good. This is a buyer's entry point only, that's why reason I place a higher option. And this is a buyer's entry, this is a buyer's entry. This is a market momentum. This is seller's entry, this is seller's entry. Okay, it's going to make a rejection. So first we have identify the direction. After you can place a trade. And this also winning trade. Okay, I will place a 5 trades, all are winning trades. And I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, join my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.